Welcome to Traveleatsleep. Today I will cook for you guys beef curry and khichuri. This recipe from Southeast Asia, Bangladesh and part of the India. The people like it when basically it's cold weather. Let's see how we can cook this today. I took the beef with one huge piece of bone which inside have bone marrow. So when we will be cook, so bone marrow will be spread inside the curry and make a nice smell. This is the way Deshi people like to cook. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. One teaspoon spicy chili powder. If you don't like spicy chili powder, you can take the paprika. But I'm suggesting you to put some spicy chili powder, and if you want to get the beef curry taste from Southeast Asia. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half of the garlic, chopped it, large piece of onion, half, chopped onion, some bay leaf, cardamom, the whole, don't crush it. Few pieces long, 1 teaspoon salt, paprika powder, two teaspoon paprika powder. If you don't have it, don't use it. I'm gonna add some virgin olive oil. You can add also if you want vegetable oil. Now you have to mix it properly. Keep it room temperature half an hour. Add some oil. You can add vegetable oil. I'm adding virgin olive oil. Oil is hot enough to put meat inside. Fry few minutes, and it has to be high heat. Don't make low heat. We want a high heat fry, and we have to keep stirring. We want the meat release the water, then we will cover it. It looks like our meat is ready for cover. We have to make low heat, as much low you can do, and then we're going to cover it. So we'll be cooked like that 10 minutes. After that we'll be add some water. Time to take a look. So meat is releasing the water, and look what a color. We have to stir slowly. High heat again. So meat is ready to add some water, because otherwise the ingredient will burn. We don't want to burn our ingredient. We want our cooked ingredient and the flavor go inside the meat. So we're going to add some water now. We're going to add around 3 cups of water. Mix nicely. Make sure the heat is high. We don't want low now. So mix nicely. Make sure that the water and ingredient mix properly. So we'll be cover it again, and we'll be cook 45 minutes. We're not going to open. We'll keep 45 minutes, as much low heat you can do it. So our meat is ready and water is dry, and you see the curry is thick and ingredient already mixed inside the meat and very thick and low high. I can hit the low and you see how look like delicious curry. Curry will be super delicious, I can tell. The gravy and the meat. Wow, what a flavor I can give it. So done. Now time to serve it. Now we will make khichuri. We're going to add some ghee. We are adding around 3 spoons ghee. Adding some bay leaves, 2 bay leaves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 8 pieces of cardamom, few pieces of long, 4 pieces of star, half onion chopped, half garlic chopped. Looks like our onion ready, so we can put some rice. We have some basmati rice. I already washed. Make sure to wash basmati rice. So I have 2 cups of basmati rice here. Adding some lentil. If you have 2 cups rice, you have to have at least 1 cup lentil. So my friends like my khichuri, so now I'm revealing my recipe. Hopefully they will like it. I'm adding 1 spoon turmeric, half teaspoon spicy chili, 1 spoon coriander, 1 spoon cumin powder. Now we'll be stir nicely and put a high heat, medium high, so not too high. I don't want to burn our rice. So we have to cook until the rice and ingredients become dry. And you will see rice will become like very white inside. So that means rice is ready for cook. On the side you have to keep hot water, so we can add in later hot water. Wow. So now we will add some water. So we have 2 cups rice, dry rice, and 1 cup lentil. So you have to put 6 cups of water. I'm giving 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it nicely. Rice will be ready soon, so we have to cover it and low temperature and cook until dry the water. Let's take a look at our khichuri. Wow, what a color. Our khichuri is ready to serve. We will be served with our beef curry. Thank you so much guys. If you like my video, feel free to hit like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for next video.